So here's my attempt at a budget model railway shelf layout. We've got a Inglenook and a coaling station. The board measures 80 centimetres, not the 60 centimetres, but I have combined the fiddle yard into the board so that, as you can see, there's a display area which is measuring 60 centimetres and incorporates the layout, and then the remaining 20 centimetres is a fiddle yard. The controller cost £2 from AliExpress and has a built-in switch and a speed control knob, so you can easily change direction and control speed. The Loco is a Kato 11-109 chassis with a 3D printed body. That was found on Cults 3D. Wagons are a mishmash of old Peco and Minitrix wagons. And then the dash lines are where I'm going to put in the push-pull points, so hand-operated push-pull points. And I'm also going to try and put in some decoupling machines using rods that lift up a little lever and uncouple the couplings. So anyway, that's all I'm going to show today. Next episode we should see some ballasting. Okay, thanks for watching.